is our first video ever.
Yeah.
No.
It's beautiful.
I used to play in this creek.
You did?
Yeah.
If you want to,
I'm gonna go a little further.
gotta be quiet.
We can go over here and take a look at the creek. This part of the creek is really pretty.
What is this about?
So the people probably don't drive off of this edge. And it might actually be overhanging. I don't know.
Kato, what the?
Oh. You don't want to go in.
You don't?
You don't want to fall. So be careful here.
Kato, come on.
Ah!
Look at me, Gerber.
On real life, the ground never gives up. It doesn't really fall.
Watch out. I don't want anybody to fall into the water. That would be awful. It looks deep enough that you'd have to like swim and you might drown. That means I'd have to get in the water too.
Cold water.
So let's just get back.
It is ice
If we
cold
like
water.
slide a little, we could like land on
Let's
that
just
little
get back.
rock.
Okay. Just get back, Jeremiah.
I tried sliding
I wonder if
up.
we come down here in the summer. But it may be too dry.
I used to play in this in the summer. You couldn't really swim much. I mean, nothing was over your head,
We could go
but you could
fishing
play
here.
in it. But I don't know if they allow it anymore.
Can we go fishing?
Well, get back from the edge, please. Why are you guys
sure
getting
there's
so
other
close to it? Great. Perfect. Is it
Hi.
recording?
Yes, it is.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
Hi, you can't really see me, but I'm showing this way. This is my face. This is my brother, and I'm my nephew.
Okay.
These are my
on, guys.
brothers and nephew. Hey! My brother and nephew. Me.
It's okay. Hi, Gabe.
We have my brother. I have some sticks. I'm gonna try to. One is
Stone
called Jeremiah's game. It's beautiful outside. Yeah, and also it's cold outside. If you're watching this today, like this day, not some other day that you're watching this video, but today it's cold outside, alright? Yep, I am sure. The day that we're in, alright? Yeah. Which is right now. This is the newest video ever. Yep. Yep. Soon it won't. This is my mom. I'm gonna show you her in a sec.
Turn it off when you run. You're gonna have to turn that off. Stop the video.
This is my mom. Right? Bye.
You see all those birds?
Yeah.
You hear them?
Yeah. Some woodpeckers?
There's some kind of little blackbird. Possibly some type of a corvid, maybe. I don't know.
I wish we brought gloves.
Yeah, I should have got your gloves. I'm sorry. It is pretty chilly. All right.
Hello, this is a beautiful day outside. I'm walking slowly. If I make it too fast, it'll make you dizzy. Well, you see those people up ahead? That's Kayla. Alright, it's a beautiful day outside. It's my mom up ahead. Dogs, Bella, Kato. Small one's Kato. The big one's Bella. Bella's a puppy. Kato's an old dog. It weighs this size. That's Kayla. Dexter ran off.
Alright, turn off for a minute.
Alright, I'm still behind. So that one is Jemiah. The one in the red is Dexter. Let me keep up.
Come here, Bella, come.
I'm tired, you know.
Kato, come on.
This is my brother. He's tired.
Good girl.
And Dexter. Dexter's up ahead. He
You're
really
looking
is.
Indy in that hothouse thing.
That's
like
Dexter.
it's torn
The
up.
one in the red. Whoa.
Bella, come.
Crystal little.
Bella, come here.
It's Bella.
Hey, Bella.
Guys, I love Sans. Do you guys love Sans too? Do you even know Sans, guys? Guys, it's my real face. No, it's my face. I'm gonna go show the beautiful view back. Alright. They could be giant doodles. These are not. These are rock. These are rocks. These are rock dirt. I'm still behind. My brother's behind me. I'm in front of him. The dogs and my mom. It's Kayla. Dexter's staring at nothing. Might not see him.
The video can't be too incredibly long.
We're going inside of here. See what's inside. All right. See what's inside.
I think they're used to be a little loud.
Whoa, is that cool? I'm gonna go in it.
No, it's loud. This might be a giant. Oh, this might be a ladder. Yes, this is awesome.
Hello?
Bye.
Okay, I'm in it. Okay. I'm in it. Stop the video. It means stop the video, just doing clips. Everyone, giant.
I want to move away from where those
Yes.
other are at.
There's a
Look
bottle
at the place
inside.
for
My
So I'm going to
brother's.
start walking this direction.
Ah!
Guys.
You want to see my face again?
Look.
Show me a little more. My brother's gonna record now.
Jeremiah, get out.
Jeremiah, record the video. All right.
I've just cleaned it up my boots a little bit.
This is the
No,
bottomless
no.
pit.
Get out.
Look.
Go on. Go follow
Just
Jody.
kidding.
Go to
It's not.
Jody.
No. They gotta walk. It's just a sign. Thought there was like a playground. Wait, there's a little house. If you guys could see, you see that rooftop. You could see. Let me go closer. There we go. You can kind of see the rooftop.
Alright, you guys want to play the playground or do we want to call this?
This is a playground. Wanna watch us play on it? No, we're gonna play on it.
Jeremiah, I want to skip you.
Yeah, alright, here we go. My brother's gonna record now.
Because she will
Jeremiah.
miss you.
Jemiah,
Do you know that?
record. Record. Oh, tape.
This
Now my
is
brother's recording. Look at my face. Look into my eyeballs. If you ever
alright,
come
stop,
to my
stop.
house, wanna be my friend? Turn it around. Alright. We're gonna go over to the playground. Wanna watch me swing?
Here, actually give me the phone.
We're gonna play. Okay, bye.
Bella.